Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, my name is Ganesh Vag, direct second year student in a mechanical engineering. We have made this project in the subject of Fundamental of Mechatronics. In this project, my group partners are Atish Parlokar and Swapnil Avchar. Let's see a macro project. Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, Zeel Education Society, Zeel Polytechnic. Macro Project, Academic Year 2020-2021. Title of Macro Project, Microprocessor. Name of Group Member, Ganesh Vag, Atish Parlokar, Swapnil Avchar. Introduction. While studying in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, our teacher told us to make a project on the subject of Fundamental of Mechatronics. So this project is made in a group. And in this microprocessor, we have tried to give the best information about this component. Main content. A microprocessor is an electronic component that is used by a computer to do its work. It is a central processing unit on a single integrated circuit chip containing millions of very small components, including transistor, resistor and diodes that work together. Some microprocessor is an 20th century requires several chip. Microprocessor help to do everything from controlling elevators to searching the web. Everything a computer does is described by interaction of computer program, and microprocessors carry out this interaction many millions of times a second. Microprocessor operation. Like other central processing units, microprocessor use the three steps commonly called fetch, decode and execute. In the fetch step, an instruction is copied from the computer memory into the microprocessor. In the decode step, the microprocessor figures out what operation the instruction is meant to do. In the execute step, this operation is performed. Different computers can have different instruction set. Facts and figure. Transistors in a microprocessor can be less than 1 micrometer wide, 1 millionth of meter. By comparison, a single hair can be over 100 micrometers wide. The transistors are mostly MOSFETs. Microprocessors are made from silicon, quartz, metal and other chemicals. From start to finish, it takes about 2 months to take a microprocessor. Microprocessors are classified by size of their data bus or address. They are also grouped into the CISC and RISC type. Briefly history. 1823, Baron George Jacob Bass discovered the silicon, which body is the basic component of the electronics. 1903, Nikola Tesla patents the electric logic circuits called gates or switches. 1947, John Baldwin, Walter Baldwin and William Shockley invented the first transistor at the Bell Laboratories on December 23, 1947. 1956, John Baldwin, Walter Baldwin and William Shockley are awarded 2 Nobel Prize in the physics for their work on the transistor. 1958, the first integrated circuit are developed by the Robert Noyce and Jack P. 1968, IBM develops the first atomic mass production facility for a transistor in the New York.
Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.